Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Ow, I had my funny bone and it wasn't funny. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. And if you are new, hi, welcome. I know I just recently got a bunch of new subscribers. Thank you so much for hanging out and like subscribing. That's so dope, dude. You have no idea. Like honestly, I appreciate it so much and you are the best. I saw it. I saw you come in and I appreciate that you stayed. I'm so glad I could provide something about me made you interested enough to hang around and watch more. So thank you for that. And I'm so excited. And if you're from my BoxyCharm video, which I suspect you probably are, just so you know, this is my normal filming station. The only reason I filmed in that room is because I film it as soon as I get it so you guys can see it right away. So I don't wait to come home. I literally film and edit on my lunch break. So this is my home station and welcome to my bedroom. This is my bedroom. My head is shiny. My forehead is shiny. So unprofessional. Anyways, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, this video is another ColourPop video. But I'm so excited. Not that I'm not always excited because like I am. That's why I do this. I do this because I like it. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't do it. So I'm always pretty stoked to be doing it. You feel me? But today's video is going to be on the new Lux Matte Lipsticks from ColourPop. And I am so excited. Like I was so prepared to not spend money on makeup for a while because I have enough, you know, like I have plenty, but hear me out. Let me explain why. If you can tell me what that's from, comment down below. What would be FFFFFFs? And by the way, I respond to all your comments. I love the ColourPop Matte X Lippy Sticks. Those are my jam. And they haven't really made new shades in a while. They were doing it for a while and I have so many of them. I have a video swatching them from a while back. I should do an updated one. I'll link it up above. But they are my absolute favorite. So when I saw these, I saw the swatches and they didn't say what they were and I was like, those look like the Matte X Lippy Sticks. I think they're bringing them out in the new tubes and the new bullets and I was so excited. I was like, oh shit, well now I gotta spend all my dollars because I can't not buy them because I love them. And then they announced that it was a new formula, a new matte formula, and I was like, oh, like I'm so excited. Like I'm stoked that gloss and all that's coming back and more comfortable lipsticks. Because to be honest, I'm kind of over the liquid lipstick situation. They makes your lips so uncomfortable and like I'm a comfort over fashion type of bitch. Like I'm actually wearing sweatpants right now and a t-shirt. That's who I am. So I mean, I'll wear a liquid lip, like, but there has to be an occasion for a liquid lip. On the daily, I want a bullet. I don't even really do gloss. I want a standard bullet. That's what I go to. So I was so stoked to have more mattes coming out in a standard bullet that are supposed to be comfortable. So today's video is going to be me swatching, lip swatching and hand swatching these shades that I picked up. The shade right here on my lips is, wait a minute, I just had to go through the whole bag to find it. I don't know how it ended up at the bottom, but this shade is Trapeze, and is this not the most beautiful orange red that you ever saw? You know it is, I know it is. We both know that it is. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you and let you watch it. So before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And give me a comment down below and say hi if you're new. I love to talk to you guys. If you ever look in any of my videos at the comment section, you will see that I'm typing back because that's what I'm here for, is to have a conversation with you. I don't want to talk to myself because that's sad. And I don't want to be sad because I am an optimistic, happy person sometimes. Anyways, if you guys would like to see me swatch all these beautiful Lux Matte Lipsticks from ColourPop, brand new, wonderful lipsticks, just keep on watching. Come here, show your pretty face. Show your pretty face. Hey. Oh, okay. That was more aggressive than necessary. Okay guys, so those were all the swatches of the new Lux Matte Lipsticks. What did you think? Did you see how much pigment came off, not up, how much pigment came on my lips with one swipe? It's insane. And it's kind of a cool formula because it feels kind of stiff and you feel like you need to push hard, but actually if you just kind of glide it, it still puts on a ton of pigment so you can kind of start and build to your desired pigment, but it puts like a ton on right away and you don't even have to push as hard as you would think. They feel like you would, and then as soon as you put them on your lips, and if you just do it lightly, you'll see that a lot of color comes off. Let me see if I can show you. Here's the shade Paparazzi, that bright pink, beautiful shade. Ugh. And look at, like, I don't know if you'll be able to tell how lightly I'm touching, but like, I'm just gonna hold it from the end so that you can tell, like, I can't put that much pressure. And look at it. It's just, what am I drawing? Tic-tac-toe board. Let's play. Do not battle cat in here. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. If you hear any noise, they're battle catting. I'm so sorry. Now my hand is stained pink because this is disgusting. Anyways, my final thoughts on these lipsticks is that they are gorgeous. I'm trying to think of a lipstick to describe them as, and like, I guess Matte X I could describe it as, but if you've tried those, they're more of like a thicker formula. Like, you can feel that on your lips. Right now, it's like so lightweight. It might be one of the most lightweight feeling lipsticks I've ever had on my lips. And I actually wore the shade Mind Trick yesterday, and I wore the shade Little League today at work. And they wear like really well. They're long wearing and they don't feel dry throughout the day. Like the satin ones, the other Lux lipsticks, I find that go on really glossy, and throughout the day they kind of like suction down, not in like a bad way, but these are more comfortable than those are. I prefer these. I'm gonna buy these from here on out unless there's a shade I really like in the other formula. Like, this is gonna be my formula. I know it, I like it so much. And the shades they released are gorgeous. Frickin' Mind Trick. Tell me it was Mind Trick, right? I'm pretty sure it was. You'll know, because I'll put like a heart emoji or something when I put the name on the screen in the swatch portion. But oh my god, I feel like that's one of the prettiest shades for my skin tone that I've ever put on in my life. It's so pretty and it makes me feel really attractive. Like, not in a cocky way, just in like a matter-of-fact way. And that's what makeup's for, right? To make us feel pretty. So, I mean, job, success, what? Mission accomplished. That's what I meant to say. And anyways, I will put on the screen here real quick because I think they're $7, but in case I'm wrong, I'll put them up here. So they retail for $7 a piece, and ColourPop's pretty sweet in the fact that you only have to spend $30 to get free shipping, and it's easy to spend $30. Even though their things are cheap, you just get enough for free shipping. I don't know. Do you? If you want to pay for shipping, go for it. But for me, I'm the type of person who has to get free shipping. So if you get 4 lipsticks and then like one Super Shock shadow or something, there you go, free shipping. $30 for free shipping, and $7 for this kind of pigment and this kind of comfort. I don't understand. I do not know how they do it. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Their quality is so good. I do not understand how they can do it at their price point, because these are amazing. End rant. And yeah, that's everything for this video. Please, again, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like me, if you like ColourPop, if you like makeup, lipsticks. Comment down below and let me know your favorite lipstick formula from ColourPop if you haven't tried this one yet, because once you try this one, your answer will be this one. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll put it on the screen here. It's the same as my username. It's Bradderstein. I also have a fitness one that is Fatterstein. I'll put on the screen too if you're interested in workout videos. I do Fitness Fridays on my channel also, because fitness is my life, bro. Look at that bicep. Don't look at that bicep. It's pitiful. And that is all I have to say, but if you are still interested in watching a video, I will put 1 or 2 on the screen right here. Videos I put up in the past, and if you click on my face, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you come back again, and I will see you next time if you do. Okay, bye.